Hello everyone, I am Stephanie S. Delizon, the next reporter in Group 2. Abdominal organs with emphasis on the stomach and ascending colon. Where is the abdomen located in a cat? The stomach lies in the front of the abdominal cavity, just behind the liver. It is situated between the esophagus and the small intestine, lying predominantly on the left side of the body. This image shows some of the major organs of the cat digestive system: the liver, gallbladder, stomach, spleen, small intestine, and abdominal muscles. The liver is situated beneath the diaphragm. Although the liver performs many vital functions in the body, its only role in digestive in the production of bile. Bile is a complex fluid containing bile salt, bile pigments, cholesterol, and lecithin. Bile salts function as an emulsifying agent that is deassessed in the breakdown and absorption of fats. Bile leaves the liver via the common hepatic duct and enters the duodenum through the bile duct. When digestion is not occurring, bile is stored in the gallbladder, which lies in a depression on the surface of the liver. Note that interior of the abdominal wall is lined with an extensive slippery serous membrane called the parietal peritoneum, which is continuous with the visceral peritoneum that covers most of the digestive organs. For additional information, the liver, a very complex and hard-working structure in a cat, is the largest organ in the body. The liver filters the blood and has hundreds of other functions, most of which are necessary to life and are not done elsewhere in the body. Every part of the liver is capable of performing all of its tasks, and it is the only organ in the body with this capability. The liver has an amazing ability to recover from injury and generate new tissue. Gallbladder. The cat's gallbladder is a small, balloon-shaped organ that is located in the lobes of the liver. Its primary function is releasing bile into the digestive tract to aid in the digestion of foods. Next is stomach. Cat's digestive system is responsible for digesting food and absorbing the nutrients the body needs. Next is spleen. Cat's spleen acts as a gain filter that traps and removes old or abnormal blood cells from the circulation. The spleen also acts to trap and remove bacteria, foreign proteins, and old cells through a process called phagocytosis, in which cells of the immune system with the spleen engulf the offending particles. Next, small intestine is to digest and absorb mainly nutrients and to move its content without interruption in an abnormal direction. The small intestine is divided anatomically into three arbitrary parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Next, abdominal muscle. Contraction of the abdominal muscles serves to compress the abdomen. The external oblique forms the most superficial of the three layers of abdominal muscles. What side is cat colon on? It is situated between the esophagus and the small intestine, lying predominantly on the left side of the body. The small intestine is located within the abdominal cavity and extends from the stomach to the junction of the small and large intestine. The first portion of the colon, beginning at the cecum in the lower right abdominal cavity and continuing upward along the right posterior abdominal wall to approximately the lower ribs. The ascending colon is located on the right side of the abdomen. It receives the digesting food from the small intestine. It is connected to the cecum, which is the first part of the large intestine. The stomach is shaped like a lopsided kidney bean, with the longer outside margin on the left side of the body called the greater curvature. The ascending colon is the first of four main sections of the large intestine. It is connected to the small intestine by a section of bowel called the cecum.